Market. He's got some great picks for us. Joining us right now is George Antonopoulos, President and Chief Investment Strategist of the WallStreetEye.com. So you've got a few picks, and I think you're interesting. This first one's really going to get Tom Sullivan's attention, and that's Apple. Why do you like Apple?
Well, thank you, Cheryl. Hello, Tom. I love Apple because if you go into an Apple store, you have to wait in line just to purchase any item. The stock is trading at about $160 a share today, and it's down from its all-time high of 200 plus. Now, if you believe in the iPhone and how Apple is penetrating the China market and their new developments into Europe and other markets and how people are just clamoring for these products, then you're going to be very bullish on Apple, because we believe that this is a stock that can hit $280 to $320 a share within the next 24 months. Absolutely.
When?
What
kind of time frame are you talking here?
24 months.
All right.
24 months.
David?
George, hi, this is David Bach here. You know, the only thing about Apple, and I know everybody right now is bullish on Apple because everybody's walking around with their iPhones. But the thing that worries me about Apple right now is it kind of reminds me of the Cisco days. When everybody's buying the same stock, I get nervous. And right now, everyone I know is buying Apple stock, all the retail investors. So if there's any bad news out there, I worry about that price dropping pretty quickly. What do you think about that average retail investor? Will they hold that stock if we get some bad news from Apple?
David, that's a great point. Now, you're right. It fell from 200 to 160. So now, would you want to buy low? And people were buying high, but this is a great entry point. So, for instance, if you want to purchase, say, 100 shares of Apple, and you are not sure if it's going to go up or down, pick up 50 today, when the market's down a little bit, and then hedge your bet, and you can buy 50 more shares over the next 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, if in fact you believe it'll go down a little bit, and that way you can hedge your bet a little bit. But this is truly one of the greatest global brand names today. I mean, this has now become an international phenomenon, and you have to look in the long term, 24, 48, 60 months. And
but even in the short term, I'm with you on Apple. I like it a lot, and I think people are turning their homes over. They're going to be Mac-based homes. But in the short term, we're going to have a dismal holiday season. But people are going to go out and buy iPhones, iPods. They're going to update to new Macs. This is a stock that will actually probably do well this year.
Tom, what do you think?
I think it's all of their appliances. That's the thing I think that George is talking about, is all the other appliances that they're going to be getting into. The Apple TV, of course. Everybody that has one says it's great. But it's all that, the wireless speakers, everything that goes along with all of it.
Well, we should say, George, that you own this one, right? And your fund does as well?
Yes, I personally own it. WallStreetEye.com LLC, our client base owns it. We're very proud of our results in it.
Hey, really quick, I know you've got Blackstone on the list. I have to ask you really quick here, what do you think about this news that Blackstone might be picking up a piece of Lehman? You like that or no?
I think it's huge news, Cheryl.
Okay.
I mean, sometimes you just get lucky in your stock picks, and today's a lucky day because Blackstone is one of our fallen angels. A fallen angel is when a stock has been beaten down so badly, but yet the fundamentals are so incredibly positive in the long term. Blackstone right now is trading at about $16 a share, off about 50 cents today, but with this incredible news in the last hour, they're purchasing some of Lehman Brothers' real estate holdings. Specifically, I think they're going after the Archstone properties, which is a nationwide community rental property chain that now Lehman Brothers owns. But Blackstone is showing their power. Blackstone recently purchased the Hilton Hotels Corporation. We expect Blackstone to be in the 30s or 40s within the next 2 years.
All right, we're gonna check you on that one. All right, George, thank you so much. We appreciate it, sir.
Yep. Thank you.